आज जे म्हाका दिसता जे देशभर जे घडटा, I think it is like an emergency type of a situation created by this BJP government trying to silence the voice of the opposition. The Congress party stands very firmly, and the people of our country are with our leader Rahul Gandhi. 3 days on a stretch he has been has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate in a case that is several years old. And म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई BJP is trying to silence this opposition. And in our country we have always revolted. There was always democracy. There was freedom of speech, freedom of movement. जे म्हाका दिसता आज when we had asked the Honorable Governor, we had asked for a permission. His ADC had replied that so our people had gone there as a peaceful protest, but today our people have been detained. On the cause of detain, they are supposed to be produced. So we condemn this, and जे BJP आज कोताय पडे जी हुकुमशाही ये म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई लोक तेंगा चोयताय, and we are going to protest also in a more massive way. They cannot silence our voices. You can silence our voices maybe one time, but the people are watching. And हुई ना हुई आमी ये जे arrest जे म्हाका दिसता आज ये केले तेंगा we condemn it. We will raise it in the house also that our right, basic right to protest has been taken away by the cops.
Mr. Yuri, आज तुमचा opposition leader खंय आसा आनी दिगंबर कामत ना तुमचे बरोबर?
And see, we were in the assembly having our training program. When we were informed about it, we immediately rushed. जेन्ना आमी भायर सरले तेन्ना आमकां message कळ्ळी की they have been detained. So we came here immediately. We were in the assembly. Maybe they are out of station or what, we can confirm it.